Hello, in this video I will help you to set up the Easy Achievements and Leaderboards plugin. First, download and import the Game Services SDK from Google. With the latest version of the Google's plugin, the dependencies required by the plugin are no longer imported. This bug persists for more than a year now. Here is how to fix it. Open Google Play Games plugin dependencies and replace the existing line with this one. I will put a link in the description. Restart your Unity, and now you can notice the libraries appear in your plugins folder after you resolve them. Now add your IDs. Start with your app ID. Make sure there are no spaces before or after your ID when you copy it. Next, add your Achievements ID. The name of the achievement will be used later inside your code to submit the achievement for a more easy way to do it. Same process for your leaderboards. When all is done, press Save. Every time the Google plugin compiles, it throws some job errors. They should update this plugin soon. After all your setup is done, you should make a build using the test scene provided. This will help you fix any setup errors inside your console or wrong IDs. I recommend you to do this before starting with your own implementation. In order to make the achievements and leaderboards work, your build needs to be uploaded to Google Play. For that, set up the bundle ID and make sure to increase your version code with 1 from the last build. Also, target API should be 33 or above to be able to publish your app on Google Play. Make sure both ARM architectures are checked and your app is signed. Build your app. If you get a duplicate app ID error, go inside Plugins, Android, and delete the Google Play Games manifest. Now you can build again, and this time it will work. This warning is harmless. It is because we did not use the Google window to set up things. Just press OK. Upload your app on the store. Save and publish your app and download it using your test link and the test user. On the test scene, you should be able to see all your achievements and leaderboards, and also to submit any of them without any issues. If you have issues at this step, please double check your IDs. Now let's continue with the actual implementation. I will create a script that will control all the buttons from this scene. First, the login method. This should be called only once at the beginning of your game. To submit an achievement, simply call the submit achievement method with your achievement name as a parameter. You can add using lay.gameservices at the top of your file for a shorter version. Now, let's show the built-in achievements UI. This cannot be customized. To submit a score, you should call the submitScore method and pass a long variable as a parameter. As we did for achievements, we can show the built-in leaderboards UI. Now, I will assign all the methods to the buttons. After the setup is done, add the scene to your build settings, increase the build number, and publish it on Google Play. Again, this warning is harmless. This concludes our tutorial. Press the like button if you find it useful. Thank you for watching.